Hello everyone, our topic for today is Lesson 2, Evaluating Functions. When we say evaluating functions, it means replacing the variable into the function, in this case x, with a value from the function's domain and computing for the result. To denote that we are evaluating f at a for some a in the domain of f, we write f of a. Let's have some examples. Evaluate the following functions at x is equal to 1.5. So the value of x here is 1.5, and let's have the first equation, which is f of x is equal to 2x plus 1. So the first step here is let's replace x into the value of 1.5. So let's rewrite it as this: f of 1.5 is equal to 2 times 1.5 plus 1. And to simplify this, we have now 3 plus 1. And 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. Second example, the value of x now here is 2, and the equation is q of x is equal to x squared minus 2x plus x. So let's rewrite this equation by replacing x. So instead of writing x again, we will write 2. So we have now q of 2 is equal to 2 squared minus 2 times 2 plus 2. To simplify, what is 2 squared? We have 4. And what is negative 2 times 2? It's negative 4. And then copy the constant. To simplify again, 4 minus 4 is equal to 0 plus 2, it is equal to 2. Third example, the value of x now is 1.5, and the equation is g of x is equal to square root of x plus 1. Now let's evaluate this equation. The value of x is 1.5, so let's rewrite the equation into this one. We have now g of 1.5 is equal to square root of 1.5 plus 1. So we have now 1 plus 1.5 is equal to 2.5. So g of 1.5 is equal to square root of 5. Next example, x again is 1.5, and the equation is r of x is equal to 2x plus 1 all over x minus 1. To rewrite this, let's replace x into 1.5, and we have now r is of 1.5 is equal to 2 times 1.5 plus 1 all over 1.5 minus 1. Let's simplify the numerator first. 2 times 1.5 is equal to 3, and then plus 1 here, and 1.5 minus 1 is equal to 0.5. So let's simplify the numerator again. 3 plus 1, it is equal to 4, and then just copy the denominator. And 4 divided by 0.5, it is equal to 8. Next example. So x is equal to 3x minus 1, and the equation is f of x is equal to 2x plus 1. To evaluate this equation, let's replace the value of x, which is 3x minus 1. So by rewriting this, we now have this equation. As you can see, we did not write x anymore here. Instead, we wrote 3x minus 1 here, right? So we have 2 times the quantity 3x minus 1 plus 1. So let's distribute to this binomial. So 2 times 3x, we have 6x. And 2 times negative 1, it is negative 2. Then copy the constant. So we still have the simplest form of this equation, which is 6x minus 1. Negative 1 came from negative 2 plus 1. So this is now the final answer. Next example. The value now of f of x is equal to 2x plus 3. And the equation is q of x is equal to x squared minus 2x plus 2. So as you can see, we wrote this one, 2x plus 3 instead of x. Okay, so let's simplify first this part. This is square of a binomial. And let's distribute negative 2 to this binomial. So let's simplify this equation. We have now 4x squared plus 12x plus 9 minus 4x minus 6 plus 2. So if we're going to expand this part, the answer is 4x squared plus 12x plus 9. And this part came from this one, negative 2 times 2x, it is negative 4x. And negative 6 came from negative 2 times 3. And positive 2 is the constant. Now let's simplify again. So we don't have like terms for this. So just copy. Then 12x. Let's look for the like term, negative 4x. So if we're going to put them together, it is 8x. And 9 minus 6 plus 2, it is equal to positive 5. Okay, so the final answer is this one. Q of 2x plus 3 is equal to 4x squared plus 8x plus 5. Are you ready to have the practice exercises? Let's have the first one. Evaluate the following functions at x is equal to 3. In this part, I want you to get your pen and paper for you to be able to solve the following exercises. So using the value of x, which is 3, let's use this equation. F of x is equal to x minus 3. So the first step is to replace x here. What is the value of x? It is 3. So 3 minus 3, it is equal to... You can pause this video for you to be able to answer the 3 exercises, and you can resume watching if you want to check your answers. For the first one, f of 3 is equal to 0. For the second one, g of 3 is equal to 5. Third one, b of 3 is equal to negative 10. So I hope you got all the 3 correct answers here. Next one, evaluate f of a plus b where f of x is equal to 4x squared minus 3x. So f of a plus b is equal to 4a plus b squared minus 3 times the quantity a plus b. So we did not write x here anymore. Instead, we wrote a plus b. And here as well, 3 times the quantity a plus b. And to simplify, we have the result 4 times the quantity a squared plus 2ab plus b squared minus 3a minus 3b. Let me stop here. I want you to write your own solutions and simplify this part. So since we have this equation, let's now distribute 4 in this trinomial. So since the coefficient of the first term is 1, we now have 4a squared. And 2 times 4, it's 8. Then copy the variable. Then 1 times 4, it's 4. Copy the variable, which is b squared. And then copy these 2 terms, negative 3a minus 3b. Do we have like terms here? So we don't have like terms here, but we need to arrange each term into ascending order. So the final answer is f of a plus b is equal to 4a squared minus 3a plus 8ab minus 3b plus 4b squared. I hope you got the correct answer, and I hope you learned something from this lesson. So for the next lesson, see you in our next discussion. Thanks for watching.